Thank you for joining us on Nehanda TV. We're at the Hinkley Island Hotel, somewhere near Leicester, for the Miss Zimbabwe 2015. That's Miss Zimbabwe UK 2015. And I have with me performing artist Tsungai Tsikirai. Thank you for joining us on Nehanda TV.
Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, so we had you at the Miss Zimbabwe UK last year. Yeah. You also here, you're performing. What is it about you and this event?
Well, I always say to people I'm a permanent fixture now with Miss Zimbabwe because I'm a very patriotic person.
Okay.
Anything Zimbabwean because it defines me, and link that with entertainment, which is what I do and what I enjoy the most. I'm at the right place at the right time.
Okay. So for people who don't know Tsungai Tsikirai, introduce yourself to them. Who are you and what do you do?
Okay. Hi guys, my name is Tsungai Tsikirai. I'm a singer, I'm a dancer, sometimes acting as well, but I just enjoy entertaining people. So, yeah.
Okay. And people who want to follow what you do, how do they access what you've done? Are you on social media? Do you have a YouTube channel? How do they do that?
At the moment, I'm on Instagram, Tsikirai. I'm on Twitter, Tsikirai. I'm on Facebook, Tsungai Tsikirai, and on YouTube it's the same thing as well. Just type in Tsungai Tsikirai and all the stuff will come up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I've seen you very versatile because I followed your career and I've seen in the past you've done traditional dancing and stuff like that.
I do.
Oh, you do?
Yes,
yeah.
I still
So
do.
how has that evolved? I mean, did you start with traditional dancing?
I enjoyed drama. I enjoyed running. I enjoyed netball, basketball, but of all of those activities, I enjoyed performing. So when we started, it was like traditional arts, doing workshops, competitions, and in Performer High School we did very, very well under the guidance of, you know, now he's the director of IASA, Kulule Wadube.
Okay.
So that's where I started from. That is 1997-8.
Okay, so you did drama, but did that make you a drama queen?
Ooh,
No?
no, not at all.
Okay.
You know, I'm as humble as it can be. I quite get a push from what people say about what I do, rather than me going out there and saying, this is what I do, I'm so good at this and that. It's the people coming to me and saying, do you know what, you should do this more because you're quite good at it. At first I didn't believe it. But now I'm gaining the confidence because I get a lot of invitations. Look, I'm here at Miss Sim. And yesterday I was at another event, and on Monday I'm performing at another event. So I'd never say no to performing and entertaining, and especially for things that have got, you know, a focus on things that mean something to me. So it means something to be Zimbabwean. Welcome to Miss Zimbabwe UK 2015, yeah.
Tsungai Tsikirai. Okay, Zimbabwe, this was Tsungai Tsikirai on Nehanda TV. Hope you follow her. As she said, she's on social media, particularly Instagram. Yeah. We also have a couple of her videos on Nehanda TV where she's strutting her stuff, and she's performing today at the Miss Zimbabwe UK 2015. Tsungai Tsikirai.
Yes, thank you so much. Brothers and sisters. Thank you very much, Lan. Hey.